Hello, today we will guide you through how to change member role in GitLab. To begin, open GitLab in your browser and make sure you are on the main homepage. This is the starting point where you can access your projects and project settings. If you manage multiple repositories, taking a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and workspace can help avoid updating permissions in the wrong place. Once you are on the GitLab homepage, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Projects. This will open the list of projects available to you. The projects area is where you can view, organize, and manage the repositories you have access to. From the project list, select the project where you want to change a member's role. In this example, the project shown is a sample project, but in your case, you should click the specific project you need to update. It is important to open the correct project since member roles are managed within each project's settings. After the project opens, go again to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Manage. This section contains administrative options related to the project, including access and membership controls. If you do not see these options, it may mean your current permission level does not allow you to manage members. Next, click on Members. This takes you to the Member Management page, where you can review everyone who currently has access to the project. Here, you will typically see each member listed alongside their existing role, such as guest, reporter, developer, maintainer, or owner, depending on the project setup and GitLab plan. Now find the member whose role you want to update and click on their current role. In the example shown, the current role is reporter. Selecting that role opens the available role options for that member. From there, you can change the member's role by choosing a different option from the list. Keep in mind that this role changing option is available if you are using GitLab Premium. If your plan does not include this feature, the menu may appear differently or may not allow direct role changes in the same way. Before finishing, it is a good idea to double-check the role you selected. Member roles control what users can view, edit, and manage inside the project, so choosing the right level of access is important for both collaboration and security. And that's how to change a member role in GitLab.